Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, it's Friday, December 4th, and check this out. I got my We Got This shirt on. Oh, look at that. Because our staff theme this year definitely goes with this idea of perseverance. We got this. Our staff decided to say this year, distance learning is pretty hard. I know a lot of students said distance learning is pretty hard. On our staff, we said, I think I want to give up and cry because this is really hard. And you know what? Sometimes we did cry a little bit. But we decided to say, we got this. And we've been doing it all year. So shout out to the staff because you guys, we got this. Students, your teachers, they've been rocking it. They've been showing perseverance all year long. I'm glad our whole school's talking about it this week. We're going to talk about it some more today and give shout outs to other people in your class who've been showing perseverance. But first, let's do the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. You guys can have a seat. Hey, you've done some things this week. You've done some awesome things. You've done some hard things, and I want to hear about it. So our conversation for today is I want you to tell your class, what did you do? Tell us something hard that you did and how you showed perseverance. Let me give you an example. I passed a really hard level on ST Math this week, and I showed perseverance because I tried it 5 times and I got help from an adult. Or I showed perseverance because I just I can't even talk. I just finished reading the thickest book I've ever read, and I didn't give up. I read the whole thing. It took me 2 weeks. Tell us a way that you showed perseverance this week. Tell us something really hard that you did, and tell us why you didn't give up. And I like this Winston Churchill quote that's on here. It says, never, never, never give up. All right, tell us about it. Have a great day, Achieve.